Let us consider question number 29 of WAEC GCE 2025 Mathematics Objective Past Question. It reads, find the value of m in the diagram. What we have here is a cyclic quadrilateral. And we know that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. They sum up to 180 degrees. So let's have an angle here. This means that this angle and this angle sum up to 180. So if we have 80 degrees on one side, the other side should be 100 degrees. And from the quadrilateral in the circle, we could get two isosceles triangle. Let me divide this. So if this is m sub 1, this other side too will be m sub 1 because base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. And if this is m sub 2 for the second triangle, this also will be m sub 2. So we can easily get the values of m sub 1 and m sub 2. And the sum of m sub 1 and m sub 2 will give the value of m. So let us proceed. From the first triangle containing m sub 1, we know that sum of angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So m sub 1 plus m sub 1 plus 80 degrees equal to 180. 2m sub 1 plus 80 equal to 180. We have 2. Let's continue here. 2m sub 1 equal to 180 minus 80. 2m sub 1 equal to 100. When we divide both sides by the coefficient of m sub 1, we get the value of m sub 1 as 50 degrees. So these two angles, let's erase m sub 1 now since we have its value. Replace with 50 degrees, 50 degrees. So now let's find the value of m sub 2. Again, from the second triangle, second isosceles triangle, m sub 2 plus m sub 2 plus 100 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 2m sub 2 equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. 2m sub 2 equal to 80 degrees. We divide both sides by the coefficient of m sub 2 and we get the value of m sub 2 as 40 degrees. Now remember we said m is the sum of m sub 1 and m sub 2. So m equal to m sub 1 plus m sub 2, which is 50 degrees plus 40 degrees. So m equal to 90 degrees. This is the answer to question number 29. See you in the next one.